Well, I'm back over here again. Might be New Year's Day, but they say, you know, stuff you do on New Year's Day, you'll be doing it all year long. I hope that's the truth. Don't be messing with my old motor. We know it's an FE motor, again, as I said in my other videos. But we're fixing to find out here when we get this thing picked, this whole pig picked all the way up. Pick it up. I'm turning back now, baby. That's it. There you go. That's good. You got it. Yeah, it's coming out now. No, not yet. Not till you get up there. We're good. Come on. Ouch, huh? No. Got the briars get me. That gummit, man. Get off of me. Ugh. Yeah. Bad quality here. What we gonna try? I got everything in my hands. Raise her up. Yeah. Hang on a minute. There's some. Well, from what I know, it doesn't have the side bolts to it, so I guess it's probably 360 or 390, so don't look like no 427, unfortunately. But hey, we got it. All right, lay it down. Hold it.
Okay, so this is the only numbers I could find on it. Of course, it is like 20-something degrees out here on New Year's Day. It was freezing. So that's the numbers that we got on it. Doesn't have the bolts to the side like they were talking about. So I guess it's probably a 390 or I guess a 360, something like that. I don't know. Had me out here to figure out what this thing is. And if there's got any tips you might could tell me to figure out what it is, I would greatly appreciate it. Got to look like a nice Elderbrock intake on it. It does say 429.
Well, I'm trying to video this and take it off, so this will either go, oh mercy, wrong gear. This will either go good or bad. Hey, look at this. We're on the good side of this bad boy. Look at that. Look at that. Look there. Nothing to it but to do it, baby. Well, the only thing I'm on more now is it's not a 427, it's not a 429. So that means it could be like, I don't know, like a bazillion different things. Wait a minute, that ain't gonna work. We don't hit no cars. I need a bigger barn. But I've got it home. Don't know if it's locked down. I know the water pump's locked down, but I don't know about the whole motor. That'll be for another day. Because it's cold. I'm talking about cold. And I've been outside long enough today.